Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel on today, December 13th, and step 13 in our Elvis Presley Advent calendar project here. Once again, if you missed the previous episodes, they'll all be linked down in the description below. If you're new here to the channel, thanks for tuning in and welcome. And if you wouldn't mind, please click that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. For all my current subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate all of you for tuning in and all the encouraging comments I get from you guys. I really appreciate it. All right, so let's dig in here and see what box 13 has to offer for us today. So let's see, where is box 13? It's right there. Let's get that out. Okay. Okay, so, okay, we have our background for our base. All right, that's nice. Let's straighten that out a little bit. Okay, now before we do that, before we move on with that, let's close our box and put it back in our box here so we can see how our picture is coming along. All right, let's set that over there. See what the book has to say. So for the 13th, they talk a lot about the Rolls-Royce cars that Elvis owned. Okay, let's see what it says here for box 13. Basically, unfold the panel from box 13 and insert its feet into the 3 designated slots on the sound base. All right, so let's do that real quick. Let's get our sound base from before. And again, we've got our batteries and our control unit, or our sound module, I guess. All right, so this looks like they just simply slot in there. All right, like so. All right, and there we have that added to our base. So we're moving right along here. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this episode for December 13th. I will see you guys tomorrow, December 14th, and we'll open another box from the Advent calendar and see what's in store for us then. So until then, I hope you're all having a great day. And as always, be safe out there and go build something.